So today we are honored to have Dr. Nadia Ahmed with us. Dr. Nadia is a multi-award winning pharmacist, writer, and advocate based in Pineville, Kentucky. Honored as the 2024 Community Women Pharmacist of the Year and 2025 Kentucky Pharmacist of the Year, she has championed patient care and equity through writing, advocacy, and fierce dedication to undeserved communities. Currently serving as a district engagement lead pharmacist at Walgreens, Nadia is a profound champion for community pharmacy and pharmacist well-being. She has spearheaded immunization efforts, advanced public health outreach, and mentored future healthcare professionals. Her work is rooted in servant leadership, and her voice has become a driving force for the profession. Through writing and storytelling on LinkedIn, she shines a light on the realities pharmacists face, earning recognition across the United States, including a feature in Pharmacy Times. Her journey from Punjab University College of Pharmacy, Lahore, Pakistan, to the front lines of American healthcare is a proof that purpose driven care, when paired with empathy and courage, can ignite the change far beyond the counter. We warmly welcome you again, Dr. Nadia Ahmed, for sparing some time out of your busy schedule and for joining us in this insightful and thought-provoking Zoom session. And without any delay, just let the participants know what it means to be a frontline community pharmacist, especially for our fresh graduates and undergraduates.
Thank you so much. First of all, I want to say Assalamu alaikum to everyone who joined and giving me the opportunity to come here and speak to everyone about my journey and answer amazing questions and amazing work your organization doing Global Pharmacist Hub Initiative. I am really impressed, and that's what we should all be doing. Just collaborate, support each other, and really encourage each other in this profession where we're connecting with each other. Supporting really helps in your journey because the profession overall can, you face sometimes obstacles and problems, and support can be one thing that we can advance the profession not only forward but help each other. So for me, coming back to the question, being a frontline community pharmacist is a word or term I proudly use because in the profession of pharmacy globally or in United States, there is some strange kind of mindset that there is a division or hierarchy in the mindset that either you're clinical pharmacist or non-clinical pharmacist, you're residency trained or you're non-residency trained, or there is some kind of division. You're elite if you are in academia or in industry, and if you choose to work in a community setting, yet somehow you are in lack knowledge, or sometimes you are not as clinical. So when I joined, become actively involved in the profession, I felt that. And I was like, I question it. And it's as a pharmacist, as a healthcare professional, we should always question, why is this belief? We need to question, maybe address it and do something about it. So I started using this term frontline community pharmacist, where you go out and work in direct, you choose to go out and work in direct patient care. You meet patients where they are. Sometimes you meet them when they have the difficult diagnosis. They cannot navigate complex either health, terminology or complex healthcare system, or they're taking care of a loved one. They're down, there's so much going on. Sometimes they're in a dire financial situation, and that's another avenue where we advocate about. so much high drug prices and drug shortages. That's another thing. Where when I use this term frontline community pharmacist, it's a reminder that I chose to go out and help serve my patients on their journey towards health, give them hope, give them healing, bring healthy communities, being there for everyone. It's an opportunity. I take it as a really a privilege and honor to go out and serve my patients. And there are no days which are similar than the previous day. There would be days that are heavy, unpredictable. There are challenges. Equipment breaks down. There's system glitches. There's so many problems you face every day. And but still, you are there for these patients every single day along with your team. You go out and serve them. You are their hope. You bring them understanding of what's going on. And really, it's an opportunity every day to go out and serve and being a frontline community pharmacist. And in my case, it's by choice. I have the opportunity throughout my career to move up and go behind the desk or work behind the screen and manage stores and teams. But I chose because I know my purpose and my spark lies when I interact with my people and patients, listen to their stories, and help them. So, this is what for me, for young professionals, whichever one gives you joy, you feel your heart will tell you that this is what making me, this is where I belong. And sometimes you don't find it right away, and it's okay. Sometimes you would not, you have to work in sometimes in your rotations, clinical settings, that this is where giving me I'm finding my this joy. Really, I'm enjoying it. This is my passion. For me, thankfully, I find it day one that community pharmacy is where I belong. And since then I work in different initiatives, support different like clinical uh, immunizations. I work as district engagement lead, some different volunteer at many different initiatives. But every single day I go out and work as a community pharmacist by choice, and I think it is so rewarding. Rewards are beyond measure. I have so many stories where, and that's what I did, started sharing stories, and people resonated. That's sometimes it serves as a reminder to go out and make a difference. So that's where, in small summary, what frontline community pharmacists mean.